Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, your music library is the heart of your Amazon Music experience. It's where all your favorite songs live, ready to be played anytime. So adding songs to your library is like giving them a permanent home. They are easy to find and you can build collections around them. So in today's small tutorial I will show you multiple ways to add songs to your library so you never lose track of the tracks you love. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. We have our first method is adding from the now playing. So for example, just go ahead, play any song you like. I'm gonna go and pick this one for example. On demand listing, she's only available with Amazon Music. Now search in a station based on your selection. So as you see here, I can't really pick what song I can listen to. So they just started one randomly. As you see, you can't even pick this one. They be starting like some random song from this playlist. It's totally fine. So for example, I'm gonna go and tap the mini player here to open the full now playing screen. Then as you see, I have a heart icon or a plus icon depending on your version, and now add it to like songs. So after tapping it, the icon will change to a check mark or filled heart, confirming the song is added to your library. You can also try and add from the search or browse. Find the song by searching, browsing an album, or even exploring a playlist. Next to the song title, tap the plus icon or the three dots. If you tap three dots, select Add to Library from the menu, and the song now is in your library. And that's it. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.